returned to Jerusalem. The Jews lived in Babylon for many years. Cyrus became the king. God told him to let the Jews build a new temple in Jerusalem. Cyrus told the Jews to go back to Jerusalem. The Jews went back to Jerusalem. They took gold and silver and beautiful dishes for the temple. The Jews built an altar and made sacrifices to God. They began to build the temple. They were happy. They prayed to God and thanked him. Some wicked men in Jerusalem were angry. They did not want the Jews to build a temple. They tried to stop them. But the Jews worked for a long time. At last the temple was finished. Ezra was a prophet of God. He lived in Babylon. Ezra went to Jerusalem to teach the Jews. He read all the commandments to the people. He told them to obey God's commandments and to repent. The people listened to him. Nehemiah was a prophet. He also went to Jerusalem. Nehemiah was sad when he got there. The wall around the city was broken down. The gates in the wall were burned. Nehemiah told the Jews they should build the wall and the gates again. The Jews began to build the wall. Wicked men tried to stop them. The Jews kept working. God blessed them. At last the wall and the gates were finished. Nehemiah talked to the people. He knew the Jews did not obey God's commandments. They were mean to each other. He told the Jews to be righteous. The Jews promised to obey God. They promised to keep the Sabbath day holy. They promised to pay tithing. They promised to live good lives.